When Zhao Hao was still very young, his parents got divorced. He stayed with his father. Later, his father remarried, and 2 new members joined the family. His stepmother and Zhao Yan. The 2 of them gradually became a big part of his family life. From that special and meaningful day on, Zhao Hao grew up with his older sister, watching over him and caring for him. Perhaps because she knew she wasn't their biological child, Zhao Yan was incredibly mature and understanding from a young age. Whenever their parents went out to work, she stayed home and took care of her little brother. The 2 of them were extremely close, even closer than many biological siblings. But Zhao Hao saw their bond as nothing more than a brother and sister relationship. He admired his sister, looked up to her, relied on her, and trusted her. In short, he had all kinds of feelings for her, except romantic feelings. But as the 2 of them grew into adults, they eventually reached the age where marriage became a serious topic. Their family's finances were only average, and they wanted to avoid paying a huge bride price, so their father and stepmother made an outrageous decision. His father spoke to him earnestly. "Son, listen to your dad. Marry your sister. That way, the 2 families can just become one." Zhao Hao firmly refused. "Marrying my sister? People would laugh at me. I'd lose face in front of all my friends." His father was deeply worried. Marriage these days comes with so many demands. You need a car, a house, and money. The bride price alone can be over 100,000 yuan. Our family simply can't afford that. But Zhao Hao couldn't accept the idea. The sister he'd grown up with would suddenly become his wife. He just couldn't wrap his head around it. His stepmother said, "You 2 grew up together. You've practically been childhood sweethearts. You know each other inside and out. No matter who marries whom, you'll still be one family. And you won't have to worry about your sister being mistreated by another man." But Zhao Hao thought the whole thing was ridiculous. He'd rather die than marry his own sister. He felt like he was being forced into it. He was afraid it would become the joke of his life. But compared with Zhao Hao's attitude, his older sister Zhao Yan wasn't nearly as resistant to the idea of marriage. Instead, she accepted it surprisingly calmly. She had never looked at their relationship from that angle before. But after their parents brought it up, it was like a whole new world suddenly opened up to her. She thought, "I've already taken care of my little brother for so many years. Maybe taking care of him for the rest of my life wouldn't be so bad." Zhao Hao fought back against his parents, even refusing to eat out of anger, just to show how serious he was. Zhao Hao refused to eat or drink, and Zhao Yan was heartbroken to see him like that. She quickly tried to talk some sense into him. "Do you not like me? Do you think you're not good enough for me?" Zhao Hao looked completely helpless. "No, that's not it, sis. I'm just afraid people will make fun of us." Zhao Yan didn't understand. "Are you ashamed to be with me? Do you really have so little confidence in yourself? Why do you care so much about getting other people's approval? This is your life. You're not living it for other people to watch." But Zhao Hao still couldn't get past that mental barrier. "Even rabbits don't eat the grass around their own burrow. I just can't do this." Zhao Yan sighed. The poorer a family is, the more people tend to care about saving face. Deep down, it's insecurity. The day you finally let go of your pride, that's the day you know you've grown up. Zhao Hao worried that this marriage would bring gossip and criticism, and endless ridicule. "Mom and Dad have been begging you every day. I've already agreed. Why won't you? Am I really that pathetic? If you still refuse, I'll leave tomorrow and go find work somewhere else, and I'll never come back." After saying that, Zhao Yan started crying. Her eyes instantly filled with tears. Zhao Hao felt incredibly guilty. He kept apologizing to her, admitting he was wrong and proving he was sincere. After thinking it through carefully, he finally let go of his doubts. He realized that love and happiness mattered more than anything else, not social labels or other people's opinions. Surprisingly, when everyone heard that they were getting married, there was no gossip and no ridicule. Instead, most people showed understanding and support. Some were even jealous of them. I remember on their wedding night, Xiaohao nervously said, "You sleep in your bed, and I'll sleep in mine." Xiaoyan playfully protested, "No way. We're supposed to sleep together tonight." Xiaohao awkwardly said, "We're just too familiar with each other. I honestly don't know how I could do this." Xiaoyan spoke in a sweet, teasing voice, and whispered 3 words, "Turn off the lights, close your eyes, let's make a baby." The greatest meaning in life is taking responsibility for your family, treating your loved ones well, and living your own life well. Don't worry too much about what other people think. What works for you is what's best. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.